palette was not what I expected. I was expecting so much more, and it frustrates me when you go and you buy something because you know you've tested it out before, you tried it, and it just does not work. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Christy M, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Alright, you guys, so for today's video, I'm actually going to be testing out new makeup products from Juvia'S. So you guys, recently Juvia'S came out with their matte velvety lipstick line, okay? I was super excited because first and foremost, I haven't seen really any lipsticks or lip glosses on their page for the longest time right now. So I was so excited when I first seen this. I'm like, I had to get my hands on it, test the product out, and see how it is. I also picked up a palette, you guys. They also released their little mini palettes. I believe it has about, let's see, 6 little colors on the palettes, and it came in the shades of nude, berries, chocolate, and there was like another one that was like from a lavender tone. But anyways, you guys, I wanted the berries, but unfortunately the berries was not available, so I picked up the nudes. Nudes always looks good on any face. I mean, that's the all year round thing. So before we get into this video, you guys, make sure you guys go right now, click the subscribe button and that bell so you are notified when I do other new videos, you guys. And I'm kind of working with a whole new ring light thing here. So I got one stand here, ring light here. I don't know, I'm on the floor. I'm trying to hope and pray that my baby won't be crying out there while I'm doing the makeup tutorial, because it's a struggle out here. But yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to your girl's channel. If you are not following my Instagram channel, my Instagram page, go right now, _Miss Chrissy M, and follow me on Instagram, y'all. That's how I'm gonna give you guys the most updates, more pictures about me, lifestyle, everything. So go right now to the Instagram, pause what you're doing, go to the Instagram, and follow your girl. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, you guys, so I've already done my brows. As you guys already know, I cannot just sit and take the time to do my brows on camera because it takes too long, especially right now because they're so bushy. But we're gonna start off with the Nudes palette, you guys, okay? So let me show you what it looks like. This is the Nudes palette. I love the colors, you guys. The colors are just so pretty. They're like, it's nudes. I mean, you have touches of golds. We got some peachy tones in there. We got some browns, you know, just really, really pretty. So it looks like we have about 3 mattes, and then we have 2 shimmers and then 1 metallic. So I'm just gonna play around with this palette, you guys. I don't really know what kind of look I'm gonna give you guys right now. I just don't have a look right now. But I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. It's not my favorite, you guys, but it gets the job done, okay? I'm still looking for a good eyeshadow primer right now to really bring out the color, but we're gonna use this for now because I don't have anything else. So let's go ahead and get into it. Already, you guys, this palette is already giving me life. Their palettes are like the most pigmented palettes, you guys, to actually use and to get your hands on. I'm not even lying, like, hands down. When I first tested out one of their palettes, like, just to see how pigmented, there's like a little bit, oh, there's not really any fallout. Just how pigmented, you know, their palettes are, you guys. It is just amazing. Like, it's just amazing. Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Alright, you guys, so the color is really bright. It's very pigmented. I love the color. And I wanted to use this color, you guys, because I am more of a melanin skin color, a little bit more browny. So I feel like if I would do more brighter colors, it's just going to make it pop on the eyelid. So now, you guys, I'm actually going to go in with this kind of like a caramel color, like a deep caramel color right here. And I'm actually going to put that kind of in the corner of my eyes, just to kind of darken it up, give me like a little smoky look or something, you know, something smoky. I don't know what this color is. It's very different.
out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy.
Next, I'm actually going to go in with this metallic color here. Show you. It's going to be that color right there. Come on, focus. And that's going to be really pretty. It's almost like it's confetti. Like it almost seems like it's like little pieces of confetti. You guys, I think that's going to be really cute, kind of like over in this cut crease here. Alright, you guys, so I went to go get my setting spray because sometimes when you're dealing with some of these palettes, you have to spray your brushes before applying the metallics because they don't always stick that well. You have to, you know, kind of prime them to kind of get what the look that you're looking for. So I got this is the Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist. It's by Morphe, you guys. So we're going to use that to prime my brush to actually add on the metallic to my eye.
Tell my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there?
Alright, you guys, so I literally had to hop off the camera and try to get this eyeshadow together because honestly, the metallics and the shimmers on here are not what I thought they were, and they're not as good as my other Juvia'S Place palette that I do have, you guys. I'm not really sure what's up with that. Maybe it's the color and the shade itself, but I'm not really feeling the palette itself because I'm feeling like I'm having to build it up so much. And especially with the shimmers and the metallics, those are like the main ones. So I'm not really sure if the other palettes are similar to this one. That's why I want to do more of a brighter color just to kind of get that feel and that vibe for it, to see if it was really up to par, you know, as my, you know, like I said, as far as my other one, because my other one, I absolutely love it. So I don't know, you guys, I'm kind of done with this palette. I feel like I've been playing around and dipping and dabbing, so. Alright, you guys, so I ended up touching up my eyelids with some of my Huda Beauty eyeshadow nudes palette, just because I felt like the color just wasn't there with the Juvia'S Place nudes palette. I'm actually kind of disappointed, but I went ahead, you guys, started adding on my orange corrector to my face, so that way I can go ahead and cover up those little dark circles, because girl, I'm tired. Next, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Cosmetic. This is my Hydrating Camel Concealer, satin finish. And then go over that with, go over the orange corrector with this concealer. I'm using a damp beauty blender, you guys, just to go ahead and blend that out really nicely so that it will set really nicely. So I went ahead and I did my orange corrector, I did my concealer. I do have my setting powder on just to kind of let that set in a little bit before I add on my foundation. The foundation I'm going to be using, you guys, is the Morphe F440. That's my shade, somewhat close to my shade in the Morphe foundation. So we're going to be using that for the face. Once I do the face, we're going to do contour, highlight, and then we're going to try on this lip. Hopefully the lip is better, you guys, because I'm telling you right now, the palette was not what I expected. I was expecting so much more, and it frustrates me when you go and you buy something because you know you've tested it out before, you tried it, and it just does not work. And then you have to gear to something else just to kind of get a nice little makeup look going on. So that kind of threw me for a loop, you guys. It threw me off. Having to go and touch up my eyeshadow and put something else on. But my lashes are up and going, you guys, so we're gonna finish up this makeup look. We're gonna keep it popping. We're gonna keep it moving, you know, because we can't stop. I wanted to be like, just forget it, I don't wanna do it. But you guys, I'm gonna finish this makeup look because I just started it. So let's go ahead and brush off the setting powder. Because again, you guys, that's just setting out that concealer and the orange corrector. And also you can add the setting powder if you have oily skin, oily spots, so at your T-zones, underneath the eyes, at the chin if you do have oily skin. Perfect. Okay, so let's go ahead and add on this foundation, okay? Alright, you guys, so next we're gonna go in. I'm actually gonna do a little bit of a contour and some highlighting. So I'm gonna use my True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance. This is like my favorite palette. It's like my go-to. Especially if you're looking for like a nice palette for that's inexpensive. This is it. Then I'm gonna go in with this is from Juvia'S paste, you guys. This is their Serafina blush. So, what color is this? It doesn't say the color, you guys, but it's super pretty. I actually love this one. This is a really good shade. So the last thing that we have to do is going to be the lip. So I have two different lipsticks of the matte, and I have a gloss because I came out with gloss as well, and then I have a lip liner. So you guys, I have the Mauve Moment. This is more of like that mauve pink color. So it comes like that in the packaging. And then that's the color of that, which I'm going to use this one. I like this color. And it's more appropriate for my makeup too. This one is called In Vogue, you guys. I do love this one. This one's more of a peachy tone, peachy shade. And then they have just like a regular gloss. This gloss is just like, it's glass. It's just a clear gloss to put over the lips if you needed to. Or just to wear by itself, or if you want to do a lip liner and do the gloss. The lip liner, you guys, is called Lush. So that's the color there. So let me swatch these on my hands for you guys. So I'm on the back of my hand, so that you guys can actually see the colors on the skin tone. Okay, these are the colors. These are the shades, you guys. They're really, really pretty, and I feel as if with my skin tone, they look really, really nice on. This is the gloss, and that's the lip liner. These are lipsticks, so really, really nicely, you guys. Let's go ahead and try. Oh, come on, camera, come with it. Let's go ahead, you guys, and I'm gonna try the mauve, because that's the color that I've been wanting to try and test out on my lips. And I may gloss it up, I don't know. I actually like the color, you guys. I like how like nice and smooth it goes on the lips. And the color is not too like poppy, it's not too like bright, it's not too vibrant. It's just like a really like nice mellow tone on the lips. So really, really nice. It does have a velvety feel to it for sure. But just how this is shaped If you guys can see that, how that's shaped, it allows you to put on the lipstick much way better than how if it was shaped like an oval shape. So I do like that about the lipsticks too. I don't know, I like it, you guys. I really do. It gives me more, like, you can feel that velvety texture, you know, that, so it may not be fully matte, but I do like it. I do. And like I said, I may gloss it up later on, you know, if I wanted to. If I want to throw some gloss. Let's try the gloss on and see. So the gloss, you guys, just heightens the color. I like the gloss. The gloss is not too thick either. It's really, really nice. Really, really nice. Alright, you guys, so that concludes today's makeup video. I definitely want to get more into testing a lot of new products out because it's good to know whether you like something or if you don't like something, especially for you guys, because you guys get to use me as your tester to try a lot of these products out. And that way it makes it easier for you guys to buy. So if you want to see more videos like this, you guys, make sure you drop it down in my comments. Drop it down in the comments below. I'll be sure to respond to every comment that comes through for sure. But as always, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go right now, click the subscribe button and that bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.